like how sharp that shit is? Shit could cut diamonds. All right, so you use the fucking good old slingshot. Yeah, dude, it's fucking awesome slingshot, huh? Mm-hmm. Yabba dabba doo, bitch. Hell yeah, bazinga. Fuck yeah, trick shots with the slingshot. This tree doesn't know what it's about to hit. What's about to hit him. With the fucking, you see that sack? I'm king of the sack. That shit goes fucking hard. All right, sweet. I can break down L fucking stick. All right, we're gonna get the orang rope up in there. Oh, expert, I'm an expert, I swear to God. All right, we're gonna pull her on up. You didn't see that.
Shrapnel.
Can show you how to do running bow line. Too easy. Too easy out here, man. Yeah, that's pretty good. And what I'll do is a good old simple fucking one of these. It's nothing crazy. Sweet. All right. Took her up. All right, kids, before you get excited, you know, there's work to be done. Gotta put the rope in the bag.
Look at that technique.
Flawless. I have years of experience with L sack. Any day now. Fuck. This is why people don't do tree work right here. The fucking monotony. This would be a good time lapse. You come here often? Is it just me? Or?
It's just me, or do y'all fucking stuff sacks like I do?
Bro, you should see how I stuff a turkey, bro. Whoa, sir. I'm gonna eat this fucking mic. Hey, you got the fucking good old Petzl here. Shit's so high speed. This is decoration. This is protection. First try. 1 minute, 1 minute. All right. We're good. Hold on. Yeah, good to go.
All right, big dog.
Yeah, pull on that a little bit. Like, get closer to me. Get on this end of the pulley block.
Oh, I forgot.
You're good?
All right.
Yeah, let me just double check everything. Yeah, this shit's gonna be super easy, bro, don't even worry. As soon as it starts falling, fucking pull as much as you can. And once it, like, you start to get a little spooked, just walk away. But yeah, this looks good. Yeah, you just yank on it like so. Make sure.
Go this way.
Yeah, just go uphill.
Uphill? Okay.
Because it's farther away. But yeah, see how this rope is aligned like this? Look.
Yep.
Yep, yeah, so you just
pull direct back, yep.
Yep, like this. And just watch for my signal. When I just say this, just fucking yank that shit. It just makes sure the tree's good.
All right, hurry. Camera's rolling. There's only a few minutes of record time.
Pull her a little bit. Yank on it. Oh yeah, that's good. Wait. Holy
right,
shit.
Give her a cut, big dog. What? I got it.
Pull.
Shit, son.
Hey, pull the orange. Pull the orange rope.
Oh, why?
Yeah.
All right, big girl, come on down. We're doing it the old-fashioned way, aren't we? Hey, man.
Hell yeah.
You live and you learn, son.
Dude, that shit. You ran so fast.
No, because it looked like she was swinging quick.
Yeah, this shit's awesome. Another good day.